Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mercedes McKenzie, and as y'all read by the title, today I'm doing another handbag haul. And I love handbags, I love accessories, shoes. This is the bag right here. I literally never opened it before, so y'all can open it with me. Do a mini unboxing. Alrighty, let's get into the unboxing. So luckily this seller already had their dust bag, so the Gucci, she got the Gucci dust bag with it, so that's good. But I'm not complaining if Vestiaire sent me theirs. At least I get a dust bag to keep my bag safe and secure. Y'all look at this bag. This is bad. Like, get into the material, get into the details. This is the Gucci bamboo bag, and I got this for $6.20 and shipping was free. It is authentic, so I will show you proof and put it in a second, so just wait. Imagine this with a leather outfit, like some leather pants, a leather shirt, some red lipstick, and the green detailing. I really love this green detailing. Like, this definitely adds a little pop to the bag. Let's get into it. I'm gonna take off the little paper off the handle. Y'all, get into this handle. Like, this is so cute. Like, this is bad. Like, I love this green on black. Ooh, please get into it. Like, get into it. Accessories alone can really bring an outfit from like a 2 to a 10. If this bag was all black, it would still be cute just because of the material, but the fact that it has this green bamboo detailing is really just what gives the bag a little bit more personality. Like, Vestiaire is a pre-loved site just like the Real Real. Vestiaire is basically like the same thing, and the Real Real has stores as well. Like, they do have one in Dallas. I've been like 2 or 3 times, so I think Vestiaire has stores as well. I don't think they have any in Texas. I wouldn't be surprised if they do though, because Texas is big. Vestiaire is pre-loved, so these bags can come brand spanking new. They could come used. Like, you can get like anything off these pre-loved sites. So when you turn the little handle, you're gonna open this flap. Oops, yeah. You're gonna open this flap, unzipping the bag, and I'm gonna show y'all the inside. So yeah, the inside is cute. It has a little zipper right here, so you gotta put some makeup in here, your phone, a charger, whatever, right here. And they just have Gucci imprinted on the inside of the bag. So this is the authentication card. Always keep these when you purchase a bag, even when you get it like brand spanking new. Always keep this, and it has a good bit of space in here. Like, I could definitely fit my camera, my tripod, my makeup bag, you know, my little feminine products, some hair products, a little comb, a little brush. It does have pretty good spacing. It is 15 inches wide, so that's a lot of space. It's over 1 foot long, so I don't know what else you're carrying in your bag, but 15 inches should be enough. This is black patent, so that's why it's shiny like this. But I am loving it. It has a little strap as well, and I'm gonna put it on just so y'all can see like how big it is next to me. I am 5'5", 140 pounds, so I'll say I'm about average height. I'm not super skinny, not super thick, not super tall, not super short. Right, so that is it for my Gucci handbag review. I hope you guys enjoyed. If y'all want some more information on this bag, it will all be in the description box below, so check that out. But that's it for this video. If there's anything else y'all want to see, let me know in the comment section below. Turn on my post notifications so y'all know when I'm uploading another video, because I have a lot coming soon, guys. Like, I just placed a huge Amazon order. I got some clothes, some swimsuits, some hair, so I got about like 3 or 4 videos coming out with that alone. I did some more shopping. Like, I have a list of things coming out, so make sure y'all subscribe and turn on my post notifications so y'all don't miss none of that. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios. Mwah.